Google Workspace Packages 101, Google Workspace for individual users. Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suite, is a suite of cloud-based productivity and collaboration tools developed by Google. It includes a variety of applications designed for business and professional use, such as email, document editing, file storage, video conferencing, and more. Here's a detailed overview of Google Workspace. Features. 1. Gmail. Google Workspace includes Gmail, a powerful email service with advanced features such as custom email addresses, spam filtering, labels, and integration with other Google apps. 2. Google Drive. Google Drive offers cloud storage for storing and sharing files, documents, and media. It also includes Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms for creating and collaborating on documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and forms in real time. 3. Google Meet. Google Meet is a video conferencing and online meeting platform that allows users to host virtual meetings, webinars, and video calls with participants from anywhere in the world. 4. Google Calendar. Google Calendar helps users organize their schedules, set reminders, and schedule meetings and events. It integrates seamlessly with Gmail and other Google apps. 5. Google Chat. Google Chat is a messaging platform for real-time communication and collaboration within teams. It offers features such as direct messaging, group chats, and file sharing. 6. Google Sites. Google Sites enables users to create and publish websites and web pages without any coding knowledge. It's a simple and intuitive tool for building internal portals, project sites, and intranet pages. 7. Google Forms. Google Forms allows users to create surveys, quizzes, and feedback forms easily. Responses are automatically collected and can be analyzed using Google Sheets. 8. Google Keep. Google Keep is a note-taking app that helps users capture ideas, create to-do lists, and organize their thoughts. It syncs across devices, making it easy to access notes from anywhere. 9. Google Vault. Google Vault is an add-on service for archiving, eDiscovery, and compliance. It allows organizations to retain, search, and export data from Google Workspace apps for legal and regulatory purposes. Cons. 1. Dependency on internet connection. Google Workspace applications require an internet connection to function properly. Offline access is available for some apps but may have limitations. 2. Privacy and data security concerns. Some users may have concerns about data privacy and security when using cloud-based services like Google Workspace. It's essential to understand Google's privacy policies and security measures to address these concerns. 3. Learning curve. While Google Workspace apps are generally intuitive to use, some users may experience a learning curve, especially when transitioning from other productivity suites like Microsoft Office. Known issues and fixes. 1. Syncing problems. If you encounter syncing issues with Google Drive or other apps, try refreshing the page, clear, or using a different browser. You can also check Google's Workspace status dashboard for any known service disruptions. 2. Email delivery issues. If emails sent from Gmail are not being delivered or are being marked as spam, check your email settings, verify the recipient's email address, and review Google's guidelines for sending bulk or promotional emails. 3. Compatibility errors. Ensure that you're using compatible browsers and operating systems to access Google Workspace apps. Updating your browser or operating system to the latest version can help resolve compatibility errors. Advanced tips for getting started. 1. Explore advanced features. Take the time to explore the advanced features of Google Workspace apps, such as keyboard shortcuts, add-ons, integrations, and collaboration tools. These features can help you work more efficiently and effectively. 2. Customize settings. Customize settings and preferences in Google Workspace apps to suit your workflow and preferences. This includes notification settings, display preferences, and security settings. 3. Training and certification. Consider undergoing training or obtaining Google Workspace certification to become proficient in using the apps and gain recognition for your skills. Google offers various training resources and certification programs for users and administrators. 4. Utilize templates. Google Workspace apps offer a wide range of templates for documents, presentations, spreadsheets, and forms. Take advantage of these templates to save time and create professional-looking content. Alternatives. 1. Microsoft 365. Microsoft 365 offers a similar suite of productivity and collaboration tools, including Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, and OneDrive. It's a popular alternative for users who prefer Microsoft's ecosystem. 2. Zoho Workplace. Zoho Workplace provides a suite of online productivity tools, including email, document editing, spreadsheets, presentations, and collaboration features. It's suitable for small and medium-sized businesses looking for a cost-effective alternative to Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. 3. Apple iCloud. Apple iCloud offers cloud storage and synchronization services for Apple users, including email, calendar, contacts, and file storage. It's integrated with Apple's ecosystem of devices and services. 4. Dropbox Business. Dropbox Business offers cloud storage, file sharing, and collaboration tools for businesses, including document editing, project management, and team communication features. It's a versatile alternative for organizations that primarily need file storage and sharing capabilities. These alternatives offer similar functionalities to Google Workspace and may be suitable depending on your specific requirements, preferences, and existing technology infrastructure. It's essential to evaluate each option carefully and choose the one that best meets your needs.